Today we're making spooky cupcakes. First we start the oven. First we add cake mix. Now we add 3 eggs. Now we add some water. Now we add some oil. Now we mix. Now we add the batter into it. In the oven for 20 minutes. Now let's make the frosting. Now we add blue color. We mix. Now we add green color. Now we decorate. Now we're gonna make ghosts. Now we make the monster. Now we put 2 eyeballs. Now let's make a bat. We put the Oreo cookies and then we make a bat. Let's make some eyes. Now let's try. Delicious. Like and subscribe.